Boredom, you must resist because they're suited, and you must resist, period. Don't play suited crap. 5-6 suited and no limit may be a good hand if there's a few people in the pot with you and you got to hit a strong flop. Suited connectors do have a time to play, but in limit hold'em, suited hands, unless they're big cards, are really a waste of time. And another hand that is a very bad hand to play, yet people play it all the time, is a king suited. For example, you have a king and you have an 8 of spades, okay? Bad hand to play. Bad hand to play. If you're gonna play a suited hand, make sure you're playing the ace suited, not with the king. Again, flopping a flush, it's 118 to 1 against you actually flopping a flush, okay? If you play a hand like this, it's really only good to play for its flush possibilities, or for its 2-pair possibilities, or its trips possibilities. So if the flop comes 2 5s and a 3, then you've got a hand. But if the flop comes with a king on the board, now you're in trouble, okay? You might have top